For decades, owning a Mercedes-Benz was seen as a symbol of success, luxury, and engineering excellence. The brand built its reputation on premium comfort, advanced technology, and a driving experience that many drivers aspired to have. But in 2026, an interesting trend is catching attention. Some longtime luxury car owners are choosing to leave brands like Mercedes-Benz behind and switch to Toyota. At first glance, the move seems surprising. Today we will talk about why Mercedes-Benz owners are switching to Toyota in 2026. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. 10. Luxury doesn't feel the same anymore. For many years, owning a Mercedes-Benz was seen as a symbol of success. The brand was known for luxury, comfort, advanced engineering, and prestige. But in 2026, some owners are beginning to question whether the luxury experience is still worth the price. Modern vehicles across many brands now offer features that were once exclusive to luxury cars, including large touchscreens, advanced safety systems, heated seats, premium sound systems, and driver assistance technology. As the gap between luxury and mainstream vehicles becomes smaller, many drivers are asking an important question. If everyday cars offer most of the features they actually use, why continue paying such a large premium? 9. Rising ownership costs. Buying a luxury vehicle is only the beginning of the expense. Insurance costs, maintenance, repairs, tires, and replacement parts can quickly add up over time. Many Mercedes-Benz owners discover that the true cost of ownership is much higher than the purchase price alone. As living expenses continue rising, more drivers are paying closer attention to long-term ownership costs. Toyota has built a reputation for affordability, lower maintenance expenses, and dependable operation, making it an attractive alternative for people who want to reduce financial stress without giving up comfort and reliability. 8. Reliability matters more than prestige. When people are younger, they may focus heavily on brand image and status. But as many car owners gain experience, their priorities often change. Reliability becomes more important than making an impression. A vehicle that starts every morning, requires fewer repairs, and spends less time in the service department can provide more value than a prestigious badge on the hood. Toyota has spent decades building a reputation around dependability, and that reputation continues to influence buyers who are tired of unexpected repair bills and maintenance visits. 7. Modern Toyotas are more comfortable than ever. One reason luxury owners are reconsidering their choices is that modern Toyota vehicles have improved significantly. Today's Toyota lineup includes refined interiors, advanced safety technology, comfortable seating, quiet cabins, and sophisticated infotainment systems. While they may not offer every luxury feature found in high-end vehicles, they provide a driving experience that satisfies the needs of most consumers. For many former luxury buyers, the difference in comfort is no longer large enough to justify the significant difference in ownership costs. 6. Repair costs can be shocking. Luxury vehicles often contain highly specialized parts, advanced electronics, and complex engineering systems. While these features can improve performance and comfort, they can also make repairs much more expensive. A repair bill that seems manageable on a mainstream vehicle can become surprisingly costly on a luxury model. As vehicles age, these costs can increase even further. Many owners who have experienced expensive repair visits begin looking for alternatives that provide peace of mind. Toyota's reputation for durability and relatively affordable maintenance has become increasingly attractive in comparison. 5. Toyota's hybrid technology is winning buyers. Fuel efficiency has become an important factor for many drivers, especially as fuel prices remain unpredictable. Toyota spent decades investing in hybrid technology and refining its systems. Today, many Toyota hybrids offer impressive fuel economy while maintaining strong reliability records. Former luxury vehicle owners who are looking to reduce operating costs often find Toyota's hybrid lineup appealing because it combines efficiency, practicality, and long-term dependability. Saving money at the fuel pump every week becomes a powerful incentive over the life of a vehicle. 4. Resale value makes a big difference. The cost of owning a vehicle is not just about what you pay when you buy it. It is also about how much value it retains over time. Many Toyota models have earned strong reputations for holding their value exceptionally well. This means owners often lose less money when it comes time to sell or trade in their vehicles. While luxury vehicles can depreciate rapidly in some cases, Toyota's strong resale performance can significantly reduce the overall cost of ownership. Smart buyers increasingly consider this factor when making purchasing decisions. 3. Simplicity has become more attractive. Modern vehicles continue becoming more complex, with larger screens, additional electronics, and increasingly advanced systems. While some drivers enjoy these features, others are beginning to appreciate simplicity. A vehicle that is easy to own, easy to maintain, and less likely to create unexpected problems can provide a better overall ownership experience. Toyota has generally maintained a balance between modern technology and practical usability, which appeals to drivers who want convenience without unnecessary complications. 2. Toyota earned trust over decades. Trust is one of the most valuable assets any automotive brand can have. Toyota spent decades earning a reputation for quality, durability, and consistency. Stories of Toyota vehicles reaching extremely high mileages are common, and many owners remain loyal to the brand for years because of positive experiences. When consumers make major purchases, they often choose brands they trust. In uncertain economic times, that trust becomes even more valuable because buyers want confidence that their vehicle will continue serving them reliably for many years. 1. The switch is really about value. The biggest reason some Mercedes-Benz owners are moving to Toyota in 2026 is not because Toyota is more luxurious or because Mercedes-Benz has suddenly become a bad brand. The real reason is value. Many consumers are carefully evaluating what they receive for every dollar they spend. They are comparing reliability, maintenance costs, fuel efficiency, resale value, comfort, technology, and long-term ownership expenses. For a growing number of drivers, Toyota offers a balance that is difficult to ignore. They may give up some prestige, but in return they gain affordability, reliability, peace of mind, and lower ownership costs. In today's market, many buyers are discovering that the smartest financial decision is not always the most glamorous one. Sometimes the vehicle that provides the best overall value is the one that wins in the long run. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.